In this video, we're going to explore how Stock&Buy can revolutionize your business operations by seamlessly connecting with Xero. This integration offers a powerful solution to streamline your inventory management and maintain accurate financial records. We'll guide you through the simple steps to set up this integration. Whether you're a small or medium-sized business owner, this tutorial is tailored to help you to get started quickly and efficiently. Before starting the integration process, we strongly recommend reviewing and managing the integration settings with your accountant. Also, kindly note that there are ledger accounts that are only reserved to Xero and therefore cannot be used in Stock&Buy. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to navigate to the Integrations module and locate Xero in the list of integrations. Click on Link to Xero and then proceed to connect your account by providing login information. This will prompt you to grant permission to access your Xero account. Once you allow access, you will be directed to the Xero integration page on Stock&Buy. Now that we are on the Xero integration page, let's review the different features available on your connection. Let's begin setting up your Xero accounts. In the integration, there are 7 different accounts where you can push data to Xero. Our first ledger account is Sales. This is where we record sales invoices. In this section, you also have the option to toggle this button to enable sync sales data in the original currency instead of the base currency. Also note that you must have multi-currency enabled in Xero for this to work. Here, you can choose which status your invoices will be when they sync over to Xero. In managing your sales, you can create sync rows to push sales data into different ledger accounts or choose not to sync them. You just need to select a condition, value, ledger account, and tracking category. The next account we have is Payments. This is where sales order invoice payments will be sent. You also have the option to enable two-way payment sync by toggling this button. In managing your payments, you can create sync rows to push payment data into different ledger accounts or choose not to sync them. You just need to select condition, payment gateway, and ledger account. The third account is Purchases. This is where you can select the ledger account in Xero to which we will push your purchase order details. If you have multi-currency enabled in Xero, you also have the option to push orders in their original currency. Here, you can choose which status your bills will be once they sync to Xero. The fourth section in the integration is the Bill Payments account. This is where you can select the account to which your purchase order bill payments will be sent to. The fifth section is the Manufacturing Cost. This is where you can select an account where to sync your manufacturing costs such as labor, services, machinery, etc. The sixth section is the Stock on Hand account. This is where you can select the asset account to record your stock on hand. The seventh section is the Cost of Goods Sold account. This is where you can select an expense account where to push the cost of goods sold data. In managing your COGS, you can create sync rows to push COGS data into different ledger accounts or choose not to sync them. Select a condition, value, ledger account, and tracking category. Once you have selected the ledger accounts in Xero to push your data to, you also have the option to choose the status of your journal entries when it syncs to Xero, such as draft, pending approval, or approved. Make sure to click Save Changes to update your Xero integration. Now that we've set up your ledger accounts, we can move on to setting up your tax mappings. Make sure that in your orders, you use the correct tax rate for your line items to ensure the business is in compliance with your local tax authority. The tax settings in your integration allows you to define the mappings between tax definitions in Stock&Buy and Xero. Once you connect your Xero account, the platform will automatically grab the tax rates that you have in Xero. In this case, our Xero account has all these taxes defined. We will then map these tax rates to the ones we have in the platform. You can create the taxes by going to your account settings and tax settings. Once you've finished mapping your tax rates, click Save Changes. If you have inventory in Xero, you can choose whether to not sync or sync from the platform to Xero. If you choose to sync from the platform to Xero, the platform will automatically sync product information to Xero. The sync will update the product name, sale price, and purchase price. Please note that products that do not exist in Xero are synced as not tracked. When choosing to sync products to Xero, the user should amend them and mark them as untracked. The last section in your Xero integration is the sync status. This is where you can see all of your invoices, refunds, purchases, and adjustments. Here, you can filter them by date range and the transaction type. You can see here their Xero links and journal entries. You also have the option to manually force sync your transactions. Just select the IDs and click Sync to Xero. You can check your activity feed for the status of the sync. Congratulations! Your Xero integration with Stock&Buy is successfully set up, empowering your business with efficient inventory management and accurate financial record. Thank you for watching this tutorial and we hope it has been helpful. Stay tuned for more informative content, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.